rank preference test, and you want to be able to make a histogram to be able to quickly identify who voted for which of the different treatments that you're working on. If you remember, we did this in class and we had 6 different treatments of French fries, and so I just collected the raw data as people said this was my preferred sample, and I tallied it up here in my Excel file. Well, how on earth do I turn this into a histogram? Well, first off, I need to add within my histogram what if I can call them the bins that I'm working from. So in this case, I have whole number bins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're likely saying, but wait a second, I don't see the number 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, or I do see 4, I see a 3 in there, I see 1, 5, but why do I have to put 1 in there? Well, that was functionally one of the choices. Now, in other cases, you may be putting bin ranges, and so it may be like 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, and so on. You can do that as well. So I've got my bins, and then this is where it gets a little bit fun. On the Data tab up here in Excel, I'm able to go over to what is called the Data Analysis tool, and in there I can find the histogram function. This is a more advanced mathematical function, but it's extremely useful to have this data analysis pack. It's available in Windows 10 for Excel, and if it's not automatically downloaded in your Windows, you can get it from Microsoft as an add-on package for free. So I'm going to click on OK, and my input range is going to be my raw data, so I'm making sure that I've hovered over that raw data. My bin range is this range here. These are the possible results that are available, and then I need to set an output range. So this is where I'm just going to hover on a block and know that it's going to take up a few blocks over here when I click Analyze. Some of these other ones are useful at a later point, such as doing Pareto charts or cumulative histograms, but we'll talk about that at another time. Encourage you to try them out though in your own experimental work with your spreadsheets. Click on OK, and out comes a lovely table, and from here I can make a graph. And so I can, if I want to make a bar graph, I could pick a 2D graph, and if I select my data, add series name, my series name is going to be the treatments, and my series values are going to be those. I'm not going to put more in there because more wasn't one of my treatments. I can change the title up here. Oops, no. There we go. And there's my histogram. Now, I'm not going to take extra time here on this video to describe what is necessary, but you can go in and identify that for yourself. Have fun making histograms. Oh, actually, I see I've got some more time. Maybe I want to make one more type of graph while I'm here using my histogram data. So insert, let's see if we can make a pie chart instead. There we go. Making sure that I've got my titles on there. Select data and edit the data. Series name, series values. Okay. Have fun with this. This is been a discussion on histograms. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and we will talk to you soon. Take care.